Hey everyone, right now is the perfect time to play all those games you bought on sale but never even touched, or to revisit some classic games. For me, I got this ROG setup going, so I'm going to start going through my library. The Witcher 3 is definitely my favorite game of all time, and I'm looking forward to playing it again with the ROG Zephyrus M GU502. This laptop has more than enough power and performance to run this game beautifully. I also can't wait to play The Witcher 3 with my ROG Chakram. This mouse features a side thumbstick with two modes that are perfect for the game. I'm using analog mode to ride Roach around, and I'm using the digital mode for combat. I got my spells and abilities mapped to the 4 directions on the thumbstick for quick access. I've got the ROG XG17 portable display set up so I can hang out with some friends in CSGO. The display is perfect for CS due to its 240Hz refresh rate. It refreshes the on-screen action so quickly that it gives me an undeniable competitive edge. I also have the ROG Strict Scope keyboard set up for Counter-Strike. I really like the extra long control key. In those split-second moments, it's a lot easier to reach so I can keep my head. 10 years ago, I chickened out when playing Amnesia: The Dark Descent. I always told myself I'd come back and beat it, and that time is now. But I'm not going easy on myself. My ROG Delta headset provides an immersive audio experience, so all the spooky noises feel more real and feel like they're coming from inside my house. I'm really gonna get a lot of use out of the headset's microphone when I'm hanging out with friends on Discord or just playing games. Well, I'm gonna get started on The Witcher 3. I got a lot of quests to do and I have a lot of Gwent to play. But let us know in the comments below what games you're gonna play with your ROG peripherals.